Okay, I can start off showing you my first game, Marble Madness 2000. Let's see the date, full name, Marble Madness 2000, and start game. This one here uses the accelerometer to kind of control movement. Whatever way you tilt this, it kind of rolls with it. So you win. It's got the next level. It's the same way, just a little harder. See if I can win. Okay, that's that one. Let's take a look at it with my other controllers. That was the original way I had it. Now this one here will be using swipe controls. So you can see the ball here. It's touch, draw a line, let go, and we'll go toward it. See, line kind of shows you where you kind of draw them. Draw small, long ones. This is just a kind of swipe action here. This actually makes it a lot better. This is one of my favorite for it. Oops. I'm gonna make this one. Maybe a little. Ah! Okay, you're a winner. I made that one too. Alright, now let's check my last one. This will be my second. Controls. Touch to start. And this one is a touch and drag, so anywhere my finger goes, the ball's going to follow. So as with this one. Now this kind of just makes it a little too easy if you ask me. It's really useful, but it's not much to really just having your finger do all the work here. And that one was really quick. And if you can see, oh yeah, that's right, hold on. Show you the camera function I have. So pretty much what it is wherever you aim the camera, it's gonna draw that on your ball there. You can see the ball kind of rolling around with a picture on it. That's kind of the customized picture there. Anybody can take a different picture. It's always going to be there. It just kind of rolls around with it so it kind of looks funny. It's the marble. But that's your customizable marble through your camera interface there. Oops, and as low as you can see it. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. I'm going to start off here showing you the code I used for my game Marble Madness 2000. I'm going to start off here showing you what I originally used. This is for the accelerometer. I originally had this set up for my iPhone and had some trouble, but I realized I could use the same settings for my Android, so. But, you know, this is basically for the screen orientation, keep it landscape. Now a variable for the direction, vector 3. Here we got, if we this is an option in the actual editor, so you can simulate the accelerometer, but then else, use the actual accelerometer. And pretty much just adds force to the direction. And that's what that was, easy enough to get that to roll around with just moving it around. My favorite though here is with the swipe, and the difference between this one and the roll around is swipe actually works a lot faster. You can kind of swipe around with the ball and get some good speed and have it so it draws an actual line to show you where it's going. And here, I had a very public here for the rigid body and the vectors, and the game object, of course. And this was to draw a line from wherever the game object is or is going. Here it's just you got the touch input and start it, end it, and had some buttons here for fire 1 and fire 2. Works still with also with the mouse position, works with wherever you touch, it's basically the same. This is just the input, from the camera, and down here you got the create line. This is so that you see that line pop up every time after the ball flies around, from position 1 to position 2. And here I got this code from a tutorial in Unity. I got this out of the asset store. This is touch ball. And I used this so I could pick up the ball and move it around. And this is basically adds a rigid body to it automatically when you add this code to it. So it tells you on touch begin, on touch moves, dragging, and it's helped me a lot for my kind of touch and drag. This helps me kind of bring any of the objects I want to any position my finger follows. Now this is really useful. It's a lot of fun to play around with, but still I think the swipe works the best for this game, for the way I have it set up. Next I got my webcam. I just put this in my player controller. It's just attached to it, so what I do is I have this in here, and my player controller is attached to, of course, my marble. So what this does is this, plays the webcam on start, and then once you win, it stops it. So as you're playing, you got your custom marble rolling around, and then stops when you win. And that's my code. Hope you enjoyed it.